Hi, I'm Scott Frondorf. I'm an associate professor of psychology and a research scientist at Pitt's Learning, Research, and Development Center.
And I'm Cole Norberg. I completed my PhD in cognitive psychology at Pitt, and Scott was my advisor. Now I do research in the educational technology industry to apply what we know about learning to educational software.
In this video, we're going to talk about digital literacy, how we read, search, and make sense of information online. People often think that the most important part of looking up information online is finding reliable sources. That matters, but it's not the whole story. The internet is a vast space, and another critical skill is focusing on the information that is most relevant to your question. Very few sites are going to be dedicated to that exact question. Instead, sites will provide partial answers, and part of digital literacy is identifying what you're still missing. Over a number of years, we have researched how high school and college students learn from digital sources. In one study, we asked high school students to spend 30 minutes searching the internet to learn about a complex and unfamiliar topic, mountaintop removal coal mining. Almost everyone ended up visiting the same small set of websites, but they walked away with very different understandings. It turned out that the critical difference wasn't what they found, it was how they found it. Some students only searched broad terms like coal mining or mountaintop removal and read entire sites from top to bottom. Others started the same way, but after skimming, noticed missing perspectives and refined their searches by adding terms like economic impacts. Those later searches didn't always lead to a site their peers hadn't found, but it did seem to change how students read the site. Two students could read the same article, yet the one searching for economic impacts noticed details the other missed.
When you're searching for information, be mindful about your purpose. Remember, you're not just looking for information, you're shaping your goals. Look for information that isn't provided to you. This is especially important with the rise of large language models like ChatGPT. GPT will answer your question, but is that the full context? What kind of information will your question lead the AI to provide, and what kind of information might get left out? For teachers, that means digital literacy isn't just about selecting the right source. It's about helping students be intentional, to plan and reflect as they search. Teachers can model this type of behavior by thinking aloud their decisions in class. And while tools like ChatGPT have changed how people find information, they don't change what digital literacy requires. Students still need to think critically about the questions they ask and how those questions shape the answers they'll see, and even more importantly, the ones they don't see.
For more information, please visit the following resources.